things that happen in our life, whether they look good or look bad, number one, don't assume about what Allah wants. You don't know. Number two, assume of Allah positively, that there is something good coming out of it. Assume that Allah has a plan for you or a forgiveness from you. And if it happens to you, you don't understand why, persevere through it. And know that Allah will not let anything go in vain. He will reward you or forgive you, and it will all be counted for you as an investment for your hereafter. To the point where the Prophet ﷺ said in one authentic hadith, he said, on the Day of Judgment there will be people who will look at other people who had gone through so much struggle and pain in this world and torture, and they would have not gone through the same torture. And when they see what rank Allah has given them finally, and the amount of rewards and pleasure that Allah has given them because of their patience and perseverance with calamities, the people who had lived in luxury here will say, we wish we can go back to earth so that we can be cut into pieces with a scissors, whole body with a scissors, so that we can be successful as these people are successful and be patient.